Hello everybody, welcome back to Data Analysis with Python and Pandas. For this week, our learning objectives are read data from an HTML page and deal with multiple pages. Let's say we have a website that contains some data that we're interested in, and we want to read that data using Pandas. As you can see, this page contains class information, course ID, section, class, credits, title, instructor, time, day, rooms. Okay. And this page or this website has like 5 pages of classes. Let's try to read just one page. It's very easy to do with Pandas, and it's very powerful because it allows you to read any tabular data in any website. Okay, so let's go to Pandas or Azure Notebooks, create a new project. Let's call it Week 8. Create a new notebook. Let's open the notebook. Now, the first thing we need to do, of course, is import Pandas as PD. Now, for something that we haven't done before, import warnings. Warnings.filter warnings. So this allows you to ignore any messages that you might get when you extract data from a web page, because a web page may contain lots of different things other than the data, okay, like images and things like that. Okay, next we want to specify which website we're dealing with. So you get the link of the URL of the website. For this case, it's https highschool.syracuse.edu page equals 1. Okay, fall classes. I think we're missing fall 2020. Alright, so this is the website that we're going to read from. So all you have to do is just say PD read, instead of Excel, read HTML, and then the website. Okay, and let's see what we get. Oops. It should be HTTPS. Okay, so as you can see, we got something, but it's in a list. That's why you have the the square brackets. So this list contains just one item, which is data 0. Let's try that. Alright, so we got what we wanted. Okay, So as you can see, all this stuff on top wasn't included in the data. Any images, okay, what we have here, everything is ignored. We're just getting the data that we need. Okay? Now, this website, as you see here, has 5 pages. And if you want to go to the second page, you click on 2. All that changes is this 2 right here. Okay? If you click on 3, okay, this is the third page, and again, page equals 3. Alright? So we're going to change our code to read all pages. Okay? So, what we're going to do now is we're going to change the code to start with. We're going to create an empty data frame. So ed.data frame. So this is an empty data frame. Okay? And we're going to create a loop that will add page by page to the data frame. So because the website has 5 pages, we're going to say for I in range 1 to 6, because the 6 will not be included. Okay. Right here, I'm going to copy this. https school.syr.edu fall 20 page equals. Okay, and we're going to change this for 1, 2, 3, okay, right here. Okay, now for each page, we're going to say link equals website plus stri. I will go from 1 to 5, but to change that to text, because website, which is right here, is text, you have to convert it to text using str. Okay, so now this link contains the page address. Okay, and then data equals ed read HTML link. Okay, and then we're going to add this data frame or the page. This will get me just 1 page. Okay, I'm going to add that to the classes data frame, which is, the whole data frame. It will be 5 pages worth of data. So classes equals classes dot append. We've used append last week. This adds a data frame to another data frame. Data 0. Okay. Ignore index. So we're going to ignore the index equals, just write this, don't worry about it. Okay. And let's see what happens. At the end, classes dot head. So let's see what we get. All right. Let's see if we got everything, because this is just 5 rows. Okay, so 209 rows. Okay, let's make sure I think we're okay. Each page has about 40 rows, so which is okay. All right, let's just learn something new today. If you want to see just a sample of those rows, let's just say sample 10, for example. So sample 10 will, pick just any 10 rows out of the data and display that. If you want sample of 5, you say sample 5. Okay? So that's how you read data from a website. Very simple, but yet very powerful. And if the website has multiple pages, then you create a loop to go through the pages, and then you change just the page number at the end. Okay? But you start with an empty data frame, and then you keep adding to that data frame using the append function. I hope today's session was clear enough for you. I'm going to post an assignment to do something similar, or maybe do the same thing. Alright? And please submit by the weekend on Saturday. Alright, stay safe and good luck. Bye for now.